Hello friends, this is my Sony helmet which I use for my weekend rides, and today I am installing the wireless helmet system into it. After months of real-time use, today I will show you the correct installation method and tell you whether it's actually worth installation in premium helmet like Sony. This is EDYELL Helmet Wireless Earphone. Let's unbox it. But how do I open it? I have a sword. Where is my sword wheel? Let's open it. Yeah. Inside this box, you will get main controller unit, speakers and microphone, some velcro pads, a charging cable, and this manual. Important: never stick anything directly inside your premium helmet. Always use these velcro pads. Sony helmets use snap-based cheek pads. Pull it gently and release. Sony helmets come with dedicated speaker cutouts which are covered with this pad. You have to pull this cover gently, then you can see the exactly where the EDYELL speaker should sit. You can pull out this cheek pad completely by pulling this red tab like this and just pull this out. Stick velcro first in this given slot so that you can stick the speaker here. Never use glue. Speaker's alignment is the biggest mistake riders make. Even a 1mm misalignment reduces sound quality drastically. After installing the speakers, you might worried about the wires. Where should we hide it? So here, my friends, we can pull out this pad by gently pulling the tabs like this and hide the cables behind this pad and reassemble the pad. Since this is a full face Sony helmet, I am using this slim button microphone. The mic should sit close to your mouth but not touching to the lips. I am sticking this microphone's velcro in left side of my mouth so that my lips wouldn't touch it while I am talking. Put your microphone right on this velcro and plug this microphone's cable to the given microphone cable. Now let's mount this EDYELL unit in the left side of this helmet. Pull the clip out, put it inside the gap and push gently inside. Like this. Check if the microphone is touching your lips or not by speaking and the earphones are perfectly aligned with your ears. Now finally, plug in this C-type cable into this main unit and you are done. Now let's reinstall these cheek pads and make sure no wires are pinched under this padding. Press this top button for some seconds. It will power on the device and the light starts glowing. Now you can see the light is glowing in red and blue color. It means this device is in pairing mode right now. You can see this device in your phone named as C1. Just go in your Bluetooth settings and connect it. Now important question, will installing this device void Sony's warranty? Using a clamp based mounting system and velcros does not really alter the helmet as long as you are not drilling the shell or permanently modifying it. However, Always check your specific model's warranty terms. I have tested this device with my EDYELL helmets during daily office rides and weekend rides with Shoei. In city, while we riding the bike with about 40 to 70 km per hour speed, it sounds very clear. With speed of 80 to 100 kilometers, it's still audible with the helmet insulation. Of course, Shoei gives the best isolation ever, so it is very clear. Wind noise depends more on helmet aerodynamics than the device itself. I use it daily for music and take calls while commuting to office. I roughly charge it once a month. If installed properly, this system does not compromise the comfort on such a premium helmet like this Shoei. If you are planning to install this device in your helmet, please comment your helmet model below. I'll tell you whether it fits properly. And if you found this guide useful, consider subscribing for more real rider tech reviews. Thank you guys.